TaxPro accounts, it's not as sophisticated yet. It's not where the individual accounts are, but talk a little bit about, maybe the future of where that could go and what it could do for us.
Right. Well, right now you can set it up. They're active.
Right. It's there.
It's there. It's live. You do need a CAF number, so that's something that probably most tax practitioners have. But if not, that would be a requirement. And you would be able to view, hopefully, business individual taxpayer information. You could do things like power of attorneys, some authorizations. And like we said, we hope that eventually we'll have a portal for the entities where you can access, small business access for, say, sole props, but also the entity online portals for partnerships, S corps, corps, etc. So I see it. I see it in the IRS announcements all the time about the enhancements and the testing and the progress and the money associated to this, project. So I will say I think the IRS did a great job in the last 12 months. This tax season was much smoother, so I'm hopeful that they continue to move the needle forward. But I guess we'll just have to see.
Yeah, one of the big things that you can do now in the TaxPro account that's particularly helpful for those of you that do a lot of representation or have a lot of CAF numbers on file for clients. It's a place you can go in and manage, and you can remove CAF numbers and get people's, CAF number, remove yourself from the responsibility for that client. So a lot of the interactions that we're going to do or may want to do relating to how we represent taxpayers can be done through the TaxPro account. Probably the least developed, and you've kind of alluded to it, is the business account, which would be like the individual account, because hopefully in the future there, we'll be able to, because again, a lot of the problems we see in small business are payroll tax related. So, hopefully we'll be able to go into a business account one day and look at how their tax deposits are being deposited and, dealing with all the issues that we have with small businesses. So it's just going to continue to get better. The IRS is committed to it. And as long as Congress doesn't just completely defund them, these accounts are going to become more and more part of how we interact, both with the IRS primarily for our business clients, for our individual clients, and in some instances for our own business with the IRS.